Very good morning all first semester students. Well, today is holiday for Christmas. Wish you many happy Christmas and Merry Christmas. Well, anyhow, because next month 25th we have to finish our syllabus. That is why in holiday also I am taking online classes, not the offline classes. Well, so again you wish for that Christmas Day. Today is a special day, and also be a Good Friday also. Well, already we have finished one problem on the price elasticity of demand. Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1, Q2 minus P1 divided by P1. This is the compulsory questions. It will comes in the examination. And today, little bit we have to go further. It is nothing but as a we have to go on the law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility short form is that LDMU. Suppose in examination this question will come define LDMU. It is nothing but as a law of diminishing marginal utility long form. So you have to be remember. Well, what is the law of diminishing marginal utility? I will tell you in the Kannada and definitely you will understand about that. Well, ಇದು ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ತಿನ್ನೋದು. ಆಪೂಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ರುಚಿ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಆಶೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು ಆಪೂಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ತಂದಿರಿ, ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು 3 ಡಜನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ತಿಂತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ತಿಂತೀರಿ, ಭಾಳ ರುಚಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಭಾಳ ರುಚಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಬಿಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿಂತೀರಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿತಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ ಮಿತಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಬೇಜಾರು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ, ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು. ಆ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು ಏನಂತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ವಸ್ತು ಉಪಯೋಗಲಿ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನಿ ಒಂದು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಚಂದ ಹತ್ತೈತಿ ಅವತ್ತನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸಾಕ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬೇಜಾರು ಬಂದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನೈತೆ, ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅದು ರುಚಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕುವಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ ರುಚಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕುವಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿತೈತಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಾಗ ಏನಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, when a personal will be consuming more and more quantity of a commodity, so until one period it will comes, so that same quantity it will be a diminishing. Suppose he will be eat mango. First mango it will be very good for him consuming, and next also consuming very good, and third also he will be take a very tasty and all this thing. Then fourth, fifth, then after the sixth also he will stop his consuming of mango, because he will be satisfied and he will be finish his taste and all. That stopping and decreasing of consuming, it is called as a law of diminishing marginal utility. That is why in English what they are doing, the law of diminishing marginal utility states that a consumer consume more and more, he will consume unit of commodity. The additional after that finishing all over finish, then additional what he is eating, he will be not eat more. That is enough here. That additional, it is a utility drive, keep on diminishing. The consumer consume more, is total utility increasing, but at a decreasing rate. It is called as the law of diminishing marginal utility. When he will be eat continuously any product or any commodity or any fruits and all this thing, then he will stop. That last what he is eating, then he will stop over that. Then he will finish eating and all. That finishing and additional what he has left, it is called as a diminishing marginal utility. ತಿನ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಸಾಕು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಾಕ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಡೆಯದೇನು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಅಂತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರುಚಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹಂಗೆ ತಿಂತಾನೆ, ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ತಿನ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಊಟ ತಗೋರಿ. ಈಗ ರುಚಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಚಲೋ ಊಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ದೋಸೆ ಮಾಡಂತಾರೆ. ದೋಸೆ ನಾವು ತಿಂತೀನಿ ಭಾಳ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ದೋಸೆ, ಎರಡು ದೋಸೆ, ಮೂರು ದೋಸೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದೋಸೆಗೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ, ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಇಷ್ಟ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರುಚಿಯನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ that is called as a law of diminishing margin. You are understanding about that. Then we'll come to the law of supply. Law of supply means what? A supplier will supply his or he is selling on willingly for sale at a various rate. It is called as a supply. Supply means what? A supplier will supply material willingly at various rate of price. It is called as a supply. Then what is the law of supply? Law of supply means what? When demand increase in the market, the supply also will increase. It is called as a law of supply. A supplier will supply the material continuously increasing when increasing the demand of a commodity or product. It is called as supply. Supply, law of supply ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವಾಗ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಹಂಗಂಗವ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ. ವೆನ್ ದ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್, ಈಗ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಭಾಳ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಪ್ಲೈನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಯಾಕಂತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಮಾಡಿಟಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಆವಾಗ ಸಪ್ಲೈನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನಿಯನ್, ಉಳ್ಳಾಗಡ್ಡಿ ರೇಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂದಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅವಾಗ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಾಗ ದ ಹೈಯರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, the greater will be the quantity of commodity that will be supplied by a producer. It is called as a law of supply. So a higher the price in the market, the supplier also supply the more and more commodity in the market. It is called as a law of supply. Law of supply means higher price, higher supply. That it is called as law of supply. Then concept of supply, I already told you supply means is that the supplier is supply or sale on willing and able to offer for a sales at a various price. It is called as supply. A supplier will be willingly he sell at a various price in the marketing. It is called as a supply. What is the concept of supply? Improve the incentive and investment. ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ನಮ್ದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈದು, ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮನಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್, everything is good. Then investment, also a seller what they are doing, supplier, he will invest more and more money because demand is more and more. That is why he will be invest more and more money. Then increase labor and capital and then employment it will be increased when the supply will be increased, and then capital also they have to invest more and more. Then increase investment, a supplier will be bringing all finance from the so many sources and invest in the organization because the demand is more and more market and double rate it will comes. Then promotion also, when the supply will be increased, when the demand it will be more and more in the market, definitely promotion also, ad of the commodity also will increase, people will be buying, then ad it will be giving more and more increase, and again it will be increased more and more because of the advertisement. So advertisement also be a very increasing, that is called as a promotion. And then last one is encouragement of the startup. So those who are new business startup, So they encourage. They are seeing that which material is a more and more selling in the market, and they are also coming in the organization. They are also coming in the fields of entrepreneurs. They are coming in the fields of business. That is encouragement for those newly startup business and all this. So these are the today's discussion is nothing but as a law of diminishing marginality. When people are eating more and more, and the one stage will come, they will stop the eating and they will reduce their taste and all. That is called as a law of marginality. That is nothing but as LDM. That is a law of diminishing marginality. Supply is nothing but as a supplier will willingly offer for sales at a various rate or various price in the market. It is called as a supply. Law of supply means that when the demand of a commodity so increase in the market, the supply also increase. It is called as a law of supply. Concept of supply is improve incentive, investment, increase labors and capital, increase investment, and then promotions and encouragement. These are all about the today's discussion, and you have to remember. And we already finished one problem on the price elasticity of demand, and next we have to go for the one more is 2-3 lines are there that will be tomorrow we will complete, and our that is a second model we are completing, and we'll go for the third models. Okay, until that you have to take care and carefully you have to listen all these things. Your examination it will be very near, and still you are not given second internal test blue books, because we are not giving until internal marks for you. That is a you don't take easy. So take care. Tomorrow we will continue.